For many, the resting squat might just look like another posture, one that reminds you of childhood movements or ancient cultures. But what if I told you that this simple position hides a transformative power that impacts the entire body? Yes, a real impact, from mobility to strength, from pain relief to healthier digestion. And that's not all. We're talking about a technique that many underestimate but that actually redefines how the body functions, recovers, and even protects itself from injuries. Sound like an exaggeration? Just wait until you understand the life-changing potential of this practice for anyone aiming for a stronger body and a lighter mind. The fitness world is full of exercises, heavy training, and over-the-top promises of transformation, but the resting squat doesn't need any machines, weights, or complicated routines. It only requires a little time and willingness. And the results? They're astonishing. Imagine achieving a firmer posture, avoiding uncomfortable pains, and even enhancing your recovery after intense workouts. This is a secret that few know about, and you're about to discover why it's a real game changer. If you're tired of complicated methods and want something that truly makes a difference, the resting squat is the key. Let's explore each of these transformative effects together and find out why this simple practice can change your body in ways that even the most complex workouts can't. Ready to unveil this basic-seeming secret that holds a world of possibilities? Enhanced mobility and flexibility. Imagine gaining more flexibility and mobility simply by using a natural movement of the body, the resting squat. This simple exercise activates muscles in the hips, lower back, and legs, increasing your range of motion and making everyday tasks, like bending down or reaching for something, way easier. And guess what? You don't even need a gym or equipment. You can start practicing at home, at the office, or even during a workout at the park. The key is to understand that this movement isn't just for fitness experts, it's for anyone wanting a looser, more agile body. Over time, practicing the resting squat brings a new dimension to your workout routine, benefiting muscles throughout the legs and hips. This movement helps your body unlock, literally expanding its limits. Plus, holding this position for just a few extra seconds each day promotes a natural and lasting alignment. And you don't need to be an athlete. Anyone, at any age, can adopt this habit to feel stronger and more prepared for daily activities, or even to intensify their workout. For those looking for a practical way to improve mobility, the resting squat is almost like a secret known by true fitness enthusiasts. It's a sort of reset for the body, realigning muscle fibers and preparing the system for even more complex movements. Have a heavy leg workout planned? With this increase in flexibility, you'll find that exercises flow more naturally, without joint stiffness. This is just the first layer of benefits, an intro that opens the body up to so many more advances. Improved joint health. When it comes to keeping joints healthy, it's not just about avoiding pain or discomfort, it's about ensuring they're always ready for whatever comes next. The resting squat is a powerful tool in this sense, as it gently engages the hips, knees, and ankles, allowing them to move naturally and without friction. This movement helps lubricate the joints, promoting the flexibility needed for daily actions, from climbing stairs to taking on that challenging workout at the gym. It's like giving a preventative maintenance to the body's gears. Regular practice of the resting squat, especially with a focus on posture and comfort, promotes greater resilience in the joints, meaning there's less risk of wear or injury over time. For those already feeling some aches or getting back into training after a break, this exercise can be a safe and effective way to reintroduce joint movement. It's like reigniting the joint's natural function, no overload, but with the assurance of strengthening the body's base. And don't think it's just for those with pain. Even if you feel great, keeping the joints flexible helps sustain an active, and why not, ambitious lifestyle. Each repetition in this exercise is an investment in the longevity of your sport, whatever it may be. After all, when joints are on point, the body responds better to each new challenge. And that's how the resting squat opens the door to building an even stronger foundation. Core and lower body strength. Imagine an exercise that not only strengthens your legs but also consistently challenges your core. That's what the resting squat brings. Holding this position activates deep muscles like the abs and obliques while toning quadriceps, glutes, and even calves. This combination is perfect for building a solid foundation, one that provides balance and stability in any movement, whether in the gym or in everyday life. Plus, by strengthening the core, you're setting yourself up for better posture and more solid movements. This strength goes beyond just looking strong, it's about being functionally strong. Practicing the resting squat creates a powerful base that supports the body in any effort, think lifting weights or sprinting with confidence. This exercise is an opportunity for those who want a body that responds well, regardless of training level. For those seeking to build endurance in the legs and core, this practice is almost like a mini gym you can take anywhere. And here's a tip from the experts: holding the squat longer and gradually going deeper is what really makes you feel that muscle pump. This practice stimulates muscle growth and endurance, preparing your body to handle any strength training with much more ease. With this base, other movements will come naturally, a cycle of strength that just keeps building. Posture correction. In a world where we spend hours sitting or hunched over devices, posture is often one of the first things to suffer. This is where the resting squat becomes a powerful tool, as it places the spine in its natural position, relieving pressure on the neck and back. Holding this posture regularly allows the body to relearn its ideal alignment. Picture someone constantly at a computer. By practicing the squat daily, they gradually correct these postural habits, restoring balance to the body. More than just adjusting the spine, the resting squat activates support muscles that often go forgotten or weaken over time. When held in the correct position, it engages these stabilizing muscles, helping to keep the torso upright and the neck relaxed. It's a small daily adjustment that prevents pain and tension down the line. For those who feel that backache after a long day, this practice is a simple and effective solution to bring the body back to its natural alignment. And the best part? This improved posture reflects in other areas. As the habit strengthens, people begin to notice that even in other activities, posture remains more stable. Whether during workouts or daily tasks, the benefits of the resting squat go beyond the exercise itself. It's a pathway to living pain-free and with much more energy for the challenges to come. Injury prevention. Preventing injuries is one of the main goals for anyone dedicated to any type of training, and the resting squat is a true ally in this mission. By balancing and strengthening the support muscles around the joints, it reduces the risk of common injuries, especially those caused by lack of support and incorrect movements. It's like building a shield for the body, helping to prevent problems before they even appear. Imagine being ready for any challenge without the worry of unexpected aches. That's what we're talking about. The secret lies in the foundation the resting squat provides. When practiced regularly, it strengthens everything from the quads to the glutes and calves, creating a robust, balanced structure. This muscle balance prevents uneven wear, which often leads to aches and injuries, like twists and strains. It's an exercise that teaches the body to move safely and in coordination, ideal for anyone wanting to minimize risks in sports and high-intensity activities. For those who practice other high-intensity exercises, this joint and muscle strengthening is like having a fail-proof foundation. With this extra security, workouts flow with much more confidence. And when you're ready for the next level of intensity, the resting squat will have already prepared your body to face whatever comes, always with the support needed for each move the workout demands. Enhanced digestion and circulation. It might seem surprising, but the resting squat also positively impacts digestion and circulation. This position aligns the body in a way that promotes blood flow while allowing the intestines to settle more naturally. For those dealing with bloating or sluggish digestion, the resting squat can be a simple and effective aid. And you don't even need much time. Practicing for just a few minutes a day already stimulates the digestive system in a unique way, bringing a lightness that enhances overall well-being. Beyond the digestive benefits, the resting squat also improves circulation in the legs and pelvic area. The position encourages blood flow, helping to reduce the risk of issues like varicose veins and promoting quicker recovery after physical activities. It's like a strategic pause for the body, allowing blood to flow freely and contributing to a sense of relaxation. Ideal for those intense training days when the body needs a break but still requires movement. This active posture, when repeated regularly, creates a revitalizing effect. By enhancing circulation and digestion, the resting squat helps the body absorb nutrients more effectively, making each meal and each workout even more productive. With this foundation, the body is prepared to make the most of the next challenges and evolutions in your training. So, after all this, are you still going to ignore the resting squat? The truth is, with all the benefits it offers, your body only stands to gain from this simple practice. Think about every movement you make now and how it could be better, lighter, more powerful. Imagine reaching a level of health and resilience that makes even the toughest tasks easier. Now, the question is, why not start today? So, are you up for the challenge? Curious to see how far this practice can take you? If so, share in the comments what surprised you the most, and let's continue this journey together. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip that could transform your workout, and maybe even your life.